Hi, in this question, we are told that at a fast food restaurant, a cup of sundae costs R dollars. A chicken burger costs 3 times as much as the sundae, and a box of fries costs $3. Now let's put this all quite neatly uh, in a separate section here. So sundae, chicken burger, and finally we have the fries. For the sundae, we are told that it costs R dollars. The chicken burger costs 3 times as much as the sundae. That means it is 3 multiplied by R dollars. So you can simplify it as 3R. And the fries cost $3. Okay, so now that we have all this information neatly written here, let's look at part A. We are asked to find the total cost of a sundae and a chicken burger. So a sundae and chicken burger means basically one sundae and one chicken burger. So that basically means you take this and you add them together. So you have R dollar plus 3R dollar, which will be equals to 4R dollars. So that is the answer here for part A. Okay, and you're asked to express your answer in terms of R, and that is what we have done. In part B, we are told that if R equals to 2, how much do 3 chicken burgers and 2 boxes of fries cost? Okay, so now we are told that R is equals to 2. So if R is equals to 2, each chicken burger will be costing 3R, which is 3 multiplied by R, which is 2, which is $6. Okay, so each chicken burger is now going to cost $6. And we are told that we have 3 chicken burgers. So 3 times $6 will give me $18. So that is for the chicken burgers. And we are also told that we are buying 2 boxes of fries. So one box of fries is $3. So $3 and 2 boxes of it. So that will give me $6. So that is for the fries. So the total amount that this order will cost is 18 plus 6, which will be $24. So that is the answer here for part B. Okay, so I hope that with this video you have a clear idea how to solve such questions using algebra. Thank you. Bye.